In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zapier. It's a fantastic way to automate tasks between these two powerful platforms, boosting your productivity and efficiency. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to your preferred search engine. Type in HubSpot CRM and press enter. You should see a list of search results, and among them, look for the option that says HubSpot CRM software. Click on it to proceed. This will take you directly to HubSpot's main CRM page. Once you're on the HubSpot page, look for the Get Started Free button. This allows you to explore and use HubSpot's CRM capabilities at no cost, making it a great way to start if you haven't already set up an account. Now, either create a new account or log into your existing one, depending on your current status with HubSpot. If prompted, choose your account and click on Continue with this user. After you're logged in, you'll need to select the appropriate account if you manage multiple ones. Make sure you pick the one you wish to integrate with Zapier and confirm by clicking Continue with this account. With HubSpot set up, it's time to head over to the HubSpot Marketplace. You can find the Marketplace option through the navigation menu. Click on it once you locate it. This is where you'll find a variety of apps and integrations that work with HubSpot. In the HubSpot Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Zapier. Once the results appear, find the Zapier app and click on it. This will take you to the Zapier integration page. Before proceeding, double check that this is the official Zapier integration to avoid any third-party tools that may not work as seamlessly. Next, click on Install to begin the integration process. If you aren't already a Zapier user, don't worry, you can easily start using Zapier by selecting the option to start free with email. This provides a trial period to experiment with integrating HubSpot and Zapier. If you already have a Zapier account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll need to connect your HubSpot account to Zapier. Zapier will guide you through this process, but typically you'll need to grant Zapier permission to access your HubSpot data. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this connection. With everything set up, you've now successfully integrated HubSpot with Zapier. You can start creating automated workflows known as Zaps to automate repetitive tasks and simplify your processes. This integration opens up numerous possibilities to streamline your workflow, saving you time and enabling you to focus on more strategic tasks. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to explore all the potential zaps you can create to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.